Hello and welcome back to the Gorton Law Immigration YouTube channel. You may be wondering why I have an umbrella open indoors. It's because it must be time for the Immigration Weather Report, where we're going to check in on your local conditions for processing times around common application types throughout the New England area. So let's get started right away. This is brought to you, as always, by Gorton Law. I'm Jamie Gorton. I'm the lead attorney at Gorton Law, and we help families unite legally in the United States. We help businesses hire and retain world-class talent, and we help represent the rights of aliens who are facing removal and deportation from the United States. Without further ado, let's take a look at the processing times in our area. Green card applications for family-based adjustment of status applications. USCIS Boston is representing 20-month processing times. 20 months. This is down from recent highs of 23 months, but still up substantially from last fall, where we were looking at 12 to 18. The USCIS field office in Lawrence, Massachusetts is much closer to average 16 months. The office in Manchester, New Hampshire is at 18 months. Portland, Maine, 19, Rhode Island, 20, and Vermont, 16 months. Asylee adjustment of status applications, green cards for people who have had asylum status for more than 1 year, are continuing to be extremely depressing. 39 months in the Nebraska Service Center, 40 months in the Texas Service Center. The citizenship applications across the New England region are looking a little bit better. The Boston field office is saying they can get processing times of approximately 12 months for citizenship applications, 10.5 months in the Lawrence field office, 8 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 11 in Maine, and approximately 13 in Rhode Island, and 16 months in Burlington, Vermont. Meanwhile, the processing times for I-751 petitions to remove conditions on residents continue to be very bleak. The field office average nationwide is 33.5 months for adjudication on the 2-year green card renewal form, and they're going to be looking at 20 to 28 months across various service centers. This is significant because USCIS is offering 24-month extensions once you file your I-751, and we have heard rumors, again, just rumors, and really just from one immigration officer, that they were going to extend that out to a 48-month window soon. So if you have a I-751 application that you need to bring in the near future, pay attention to that. You may be extended to a serious delay. If that is the case, please reach out to an experienced immigration attorney to see if citizenship is a good choice for you and might be a way to help you avoid or get around some of the processing backlogs on the petition to remove conditions of residence. Other processing times continue to be across the board. The processing times for a brand new work permit from an asylum application, a first issuance, seems to be on track for USCIS's goal of within 90 days. However, the renewal for someone who already has an EAD through the asylum process is going to vary wildly based on what service center inherits the case and can in some instances take over 12 months. Similarly, work permits from green card applications are subjected to also very erratic distribution of when we expect to see these done. There is a big spike of people who are getting them at the 8-month window, and there's a big spike of people who are getting them at the 8-week window. And I think that this is easy to understand. There's a large stack of pending applications. The fair thing to do would be for immigration to take the oldest cases off the bottom of the stack, and these are the people who have been waiting for 8+ months. Meanwhile, they're also taking things off the top of the stack, and as the case comes in, they're snatching it out of midair and saying, oh, give me that, and the case gets approved in a very short period of time. So we are hope for all of you, if you're about to apply for a green card application with a work permit attached, so you're one of the lucky ones who get it within the 8-week window. No guarantees. This is the Gorton Law Immigration Weather Report for April 2023. Thanks for joining us here on this channel. We hope this information was useful to you. If you ever need to double check or corroborate this information, you can get this directly from immigration's website at egov.uscis.gov, and you can check the current conditions in your area online as well. And as always, Thanks for listening to us here at the Gorton Law Immigration YouTube channel, hoping to provide this helpful information to all of our listeners and viewers around the world. You can always visit us online at gorton.law.